This is my fully functional Lego lock. You need this very key to unlock the lock. And it'll twist like that. And it's only a few pieces, but I'll tell you how to make it. These are all the pieces you are gonna need to make the lock. Take a 2x3 plate, put a corner plate on top, then a 1x1 tile, a 1x2 brick, a 1x1 Technic brick, a 1x2 plate, a 1x2 Technic brick with 2 holes instead of 1, and a cheese grater piece, another cheese grater piece, cheese wedge, a 3-stud long pin, a 2-stud long axle, and a 1x2 Technic piece. One has the axle hole, one has the pin hole. Then you make the key with a 2-stud long axle and a bush. Or 2 half bushes, but I don't have those. So that's our fully functional lock. Or some people might consider this as a safe. So you press it in. And I chose a 2-stud long axle just because it can't go fully, it should only go partially out. Then you can twist it any way you would like. So it's Kate Einhorn. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye.